हाँ जी बेटा, पहले अपना नाम बताएंगे और उसके बाद आप क्या रिवाइज करने वाले हैं उसको बताएंगे और रिवाइज कराएंगे।
My name is Bhumika Jain. I am going to revise section 96, which is annual general meeting. First is applicability. Every company other than one person company must hold in each year an annual general meeting other than any other general meeting. Then second, notice and time limit. Notice. The notice shall specify that the meeting is an annual general meeting. Then time limit. Time limit for holding first AGM. The first annual general meeting of the company must be held within a period of 9 months from the closing date of the first financial year of the company. Then, if the meeting is so held, then it is not necessary for the company to hold any other annual general meeting in the year of its incorporation. Then, time limit for holding subsequent AGMs. The subsequent AGMs of the company shall be held earliest of the following time limits. First, it shall be held within a period of 6 months from the date of closing of the relevant financial year. Then, not more than 15 months shall elapse between first AGM to the next AGM. Then, every AGM shall be held in each year. Then there is an exception by the registrar that if for any special reason the registrar may extend the time limit for holding AGM for not exceeding 3 months, but the registrar cannot provide any extension for holding first AGM of the company. The next provision is of day, time and place for holding AGM. First is time. The AGM shall be held in the AGM shall be called within business hours, that is between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. Then day. It shall not be held on a national holiday. Then place. The AGM shall be held in the registered office of the company or at any other place in the same town, village or city in which the registered office of the company is situated. Further, the AGM of an unlisted company can be held at any other place in India if consent of all the members, either by writing or by electronic mode, is given in advance. Further, central government has provided certain exception in the case of date, time and place of the AGM by applying certain provisions. Exception to the government company. The AGM shall be held in business hours, that is between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. It shall not be held on a national holiday, and it shall be held at the registered office of the company or at any other place in same city, town or village in which the registered office of the company or any other place which central government has approved. But the exception can be only provided if default has not been made by the government company in filing its annual return or financial statement of the company. Then, exception to the Section 8 companies. The date, time, place of holding AGM of Section 8 company can be decided by the Board of Directors in advance by following directions of the government. This exception will also be provided if default has not been made by the company in filing its annual return on financial statement of the company.
क्या बात, एक्सीलेंट आंसर बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड।